Hello there. Today I'm going to share with you a home remedy for sore throats, dry throats. It also helps with some coughs as well. So what we're going to do is I like to start, I like to use these canning jars. Ideally you would want an amber canning jar, but if you don't have it, just choose what you got, or any jar that will seal with a sealed lid will work fine. Just make sure you sterilize it first. When you sterilize it, you want to wash it with hot soapy water, rinse it with hot water, and then let it air dry completely. Do not use a towel on it. So after you do that, what you want is an onion. I like to use red onions because they have more stronger antibacterial properties, antiviral properties. It also helps eliminate colds, flus, and viruses and all types of wonderful things. If you can't get red onions, white ones work fine too. Any onion actually will work. I just prefer the red ones. So what you do is you just cut it up into little chunks. And I use this when I start getting some sniffles or my throat feels sore or stuff like that. If I get a little cough, I'll use this as well. Also with your coughs, while we're doing this, you want to clean out your lungs. And I'm just going to put this in a bowl for now, okay? And I'll show you what I'm doing with that in a second. Let's get this all done. So also what you can do for coughs, because it usually comes from your chest, your lungs, is you want to get some mullein tincture or mullein tea and drink it 3-4 times a day. If it's bad, I only, if you get it right off the bat, you know, a couple times a day will work fine for you. Just putting it all in the bowl. I'm also using a lemon today because lemons will add vitamin C and has other types of wonderful properties to it too that will help with the healing processes. So you got to wash off your onion as well and dry it. You do not want any tap water on it. You don't ever want to use tap water for medicine. You'll always use distilled, pure steam distilled. You do not want the stuff that they add crap back into it, the minerals and stuff. You don't need that. Okay, so you take your lemon. You're also going to just cut that into some chunks. Okay. Yeah, I know. I'm leaving the peel on it. The peel has properties, good properties in it as well. I actually use lemons like this when I make my own hydroxychloroquine. Keeping the peel on it is what I'm talking about. And when the day comes that I need to make some more of that, I will share that with you. Okay, and now I'm just going to throw them right there. Get all that good juice down in there. Let me wipe that off. Burns the cuts. Ooh, that burns cuts. Daggone. Okay, and I like to just mix everything up. Mix everything up real good. You're gonna take your jar. There. This. You're just gonna put it all in your jar here. If you can, here, let me do it this way so you can see better. I didn't mean to block your view. right, there's that. Okay, next step is you want to cover everything with honey. Again, using your local honey, raw, unprocessed honey. You do not want it processed. Raw, unprocessed honey. You want your local honey because that's the environment you live in, which will only aid in your healing because it's already using what's in your environment, what you're used to. It also helps with local allergies, certain local allergies, if you use local honey. However, if you're out of honey, like I currently am, but I need to make some medicine, use an alternative. But you got to know what you can use, what will work and what won't use. But any sugar in this instant will work for this sore throat medicine, sore throat / cough, dry throat medicine. So I'm using sugar, white sugar, and you're just going to cover it a couple scoops. What this is going to do is going to create a liquid. Let's just get it all mixed in here. Get everything covered with the sugar. And it really don't taste bad at all. I mean, I don't think, but I'm used to, homemade remedies are not that flavorful. Some of them can be quite nasty, but I would rather put up with a nasty taste and have a home remedy that's all natural than put all that other poisonous prescription crap in my body, to be honest with you. Okay, so then you get that all covered up. Lid on her and set her in a cool dark spot for a couple hours. I put mine in the refrigerator because I like to take it when it's cold. It helps to soothe it a little more, but this is going to turn to liquid, and what you want is to strain the liquid as you use it. I would let the liquid just sit and in the product that you make here. Just let it sit and ferment over time. It really doesn't go bad if you use it up. I mean, it's not going to last you years or several months, but it's gonna last. It could last you a month, 6 weeks or more. So you just let it sit. I put it in my refrigerator, and in several hours, I usually find the more you let it sit, the more liquid's going to produce. So when you use it, just strain it onto a spoon as you use it and take the liquid. And you'll be surprised. It's not bad tasting. And it does really work. So I'm Liette, your shaman. You have a great day. And let me know in the comments how you make out. Ciao.